the distance formula. On a plane, if we have 2 points, then how to find out the distance? 2 points whose x-axis and y-axis is divided, and this is the coordinate of the 2 points are x1 by 1 and x2 by 2. Suppose now I start. Distance between any 2 points is p x1 by 1 and q x2 by 2. That is, x1 and y1 are the abscissa and the ordinate. This is called abscissa and the ordinate, and q also abscissa and the ordinate here. So we have to find out the distance between p and q. Okay, now we draw PM perpendicular to x-axis, PM perpendicular to x-axis, and QN perpendicular to x-axis, and PR perpendicular to QN. Now what is PM? NR is a rectangle, all are 90 degree. So it is that means PR is equal to PN, PR is equal to MN, and MN is what? ON minus OM. ON is what? ON is the distance of the N. Point N means the x-axis, distance of the point Q on the x-axis, that is N, ON, that is x2 minus x1. This is x2 minus x1. Suppose ON is x2 and OM is x1. Okay, then that is equal to PR. Similar to, I find QR is equal to QN minus RN. QN minus RN. QN is the abscissa coordinate. Ordinate is y2 and RN is y1. y2 minus y1. Okay. So I use in the right triangle, PRQ, right angled at R, we use Pythagoras theorem, and it is PQ square is equal to PR square is equal to QR square. We studied in the lower classes. That is, PR is just now we have found how much? We have found x2 minus x1 whole square, and QR square will be y2 minus y1 whole square. We get the distance of the square. Now I take the square root of it. This is the square root of it. It is that x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Units. So now I tell you, if I want any point, distance of any point from the origin, then what will be one point? That is 0, 0. Another point is x1, y1. So instead of that, 1 is 0, 0. So I can write it is x1 square plus y1 square. The distance of any point, from the origin, distance of any point from the origin. Origin is what? Origin is 0, 0. Origin is 0, 0. Okay, that is 0, 0. And any point is x and y. Point is x x1 y1. So instead that, then I get x2 minus, that is x1 square minus 0 square minus 0, x1 minus 0 whole square plus x2 y1 minus 0 whole square, square root of it. That is equal to root over x1 square plus y1 square. This is called the distance formula on a plane. 2 points. Similarly, we can find point of distance, distance formula for 3 points, etc., etc. Okay. Question: show that the points A 1,7, B 4,2, C -1, -1, D and D -4, are the vertices of the square. Now, when we first let us find out by distance formula the distance of the sides, the length of the sides. Distance means length of the sides is this. This is, I have calculated it, 4 minus, AB is 4 minus 1 whole square, 2 minus 7 whole square, that is 34. Square root of 34 I have just calculated. And then the BC is B and C. BC is -1 minus 4 whole square plus -1 minus 2 whole square. That is 25 plus 9, again 34. Similarly, CD is also, that is -4 plus 1 whole square plus 4 plus 1 whole square, that is also 9 plus 25, 34. Then DA is 1 plus 4 whole square plus 4 minus 7 whole square is equal to 9 plus 25 is equal to root over 34. Now you have found out that this is implies AB is equal to BC is equal to CA, CD is equal to DA. Now all 4 sides are equal. All 4 sides are equal. When it happens for a rhombus and a square. But square has got another 2 conditions. That is, diagonals are equal. So now I found out the diagonal. Now AC is equal to C -1 comma -1 A kitna, how much it is? A -1 and 1 whole square plus C is -1 and -7 whole square. That is 2 whole square is 4 and this is 8 whole square is 64. That is equal to root over 4 plus 64 is equal to root over 68. Yes. Now again another diagonal I can name it. That is, if this is the figure, that is ABCD. If this is the figure A, B, C, A, B, C, D. Which are the diagonals? AC is the diagonal and BD is the diagonal. BD is the diagonal. BD is the diagonal. Now BD is equal to, what is B? D is equal to -4 minus 4 whole square, square root of whole square plus 4 minus 2 whole square. that is equal to root over 64 plus of 4 is equal to root over 68. So in this case, in a quadrilateral, all four sides are equal, and that is implies AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA that is equal to root over 34, and two diagonals are equal, and two diagonals, that is AD, AC and BD. AC equal to BD is equal to root over 68 implies it is a square. Right? It is a square. That means all four sides are equal and the two diagonals are equal.